Hey guys, Cassie here from Zappos, and we are checking out the Be Be Supplied from Ju-Ju-Be. This great bag right here is mainly meant to fit most standard breast pumps and all of your mommy supplies, but you can also use it as a diaper bag. It's made with a really nice durable nylon material that features this fun print with all these Sanrio characters, including Hello Kitty. It has bright colors to brighten your day. You can carry it with the top carrying handles, or there is a detachable and adjustable crossbody strap up top. Tons of squishy padding, so it's going to feel great on your shoulders, especially when you're carrying baby or a toddler. The front is giving you a mommy pocket here to store all of your items like cell phone, keys, wallet, lipsticks, all that kind of stuff. You do have a mesh pocket and a key hook. The side here on the right side is mainly meant for that breast pump, but you can also store diapers in it perhaps. The other side I like to call the equipment pocket. Just store all of that equipment in those mesh lined pockets. In the back there is an area for a changing pad. It does not come included, just so you know. And here we have the main compartment, has a really nice wide opening. Now that front flap actually folds over so you can access your items quickly. Just look at that really fun, bright, printed lined interior. Makes it easy to see inside. As you can see, that patch right there, you get all that storage for the breast pump and plenty of storage right here, but you can also collapse it for double capacity. Look at all that spacious room. Being on the go will be fun and memorable, especially with the organization that this bag has to offer. Check it out from Ju-Ju-Be.